Good morning, Bill Hecke here with your Sunday morning look at our Central Texas weather. It is Sunday, the 30th day of November, 2025. Sunrise this morning was at 7:10, sunset 5:25. Climatology out of Waco, the normal high for date 64 degrees, the normal low 41. Our record 83 degrees set in 1950, the low 18 set in 1979. Now, this is climatology out of the Waco airport. The temperature yesterday topped at 76, which was 12 above normal, and the low 52, 10 above normal. Yesterday's record, 83 degrees, set in 1991 and tied in 2022. The low 17, set in 1976, and only a trace amount of precipitation was reported. And we're going to have a cool day today. We got a chilly start this morning with many numbers in the 30s, and we still have that. We're advecting in cold air. We've had a gusty north wind at around 15, and the wind gusts have been in that 20 to 30 range. The numbers across the Dallas-Fort Worth area range from 32 degrees at Addison, Fort Worth Alliance, and Fort Worth Meacham. And the top end numbers 36 for Arlington and Grand Prairie at both 36 degrees. Oh, I take it back, Mesquite 37, but everybody's in there like 34, 35 degrees, and those north winds are gusting to around 26 at the top end. Waxahachie was 35 with a steady north wind report at 20. Now, all these observations come off the pieces of equipment that are located in these areas. Stephenville, Comanche, Brownwood, Brady, all cloudy skies, and the numbers are almost all the same at 34 degrees. Now, these are 9 o'clock observations. We are moving on 10. But the heat up is going to be a little slow due to more clouds around and the gusty north winds bringing in all that cold air. 36 at Brady while everybody else was 34. And the winds are about 12 to 17, the wind gust 18 to 22. The Waco summary, Waco equipment is not reporting. And Killeen Skylark still does not have temperature, dew point, or relative humidity. But everybody else is reporting mostly cloudy to cloudy skies, and except TSTC in Waco says it's sunny there. So probably there's a break in the cloud cover and their equipment, which the equipment's real limited on what it can see skywise. But 39 degrees at TSTC, 41 McGregor. 38 each, Hillsboro, Corsicana, 37 Mexia. Hearn and Cameron, 45 and 43 respectively. Temple Airport, partly cloudy, 40, and a north wind 17 gusts 31. Gray Army Airfield, cloudy, 41, north 21 gusts 36. Skylark's gusting 25. Fort Hood, cloudy, 41, north wind 20. That report comes out of Hood Field on the main fort. Gatesville, partly cloudy, 37. Hamilton, 34. Lampass, 39. They're all winds. All the winds are about 15 to 20. The wind gust 20 to 30. Had a gust 28. McGregor and that gust 31. Temple was fairly strong. Llano Burnett, cloudy, each 41, north winds 12 to 15, gusting 20, 24 miles per hour. Mostly cloudy, 44, north 18, gust 25 in Georgetown. Taylor, 45, steady wind 22. Bergstrom, Camp Mabry, everybody's cloudy, by the way. I don't need to say all of those. Bergstrom, 46, 45 each. Camp Mabry and Pflugerville. Their north winds are anywhere from 14 at Camp Mabry to 22 at Pflugerville. The wind gusts range from 25 at Georgetown to 36 at Bergstrom. Camp Mabry gusting 25, Pflugerville gusts 30. San Marcos South, it's all cloudy. It's all mid to upper 40s, except in San Antonio, Stinson Field, Kelly Field, low 50s. North winds gusting anywhere from 26 to 32. LaGrange and Giddings, cloudy, 45 and 44. North winds gusting to around 22. The Brazos Valley, cloudy, 45 College Station. Brenham 45 on I-45, Huntsville 44, 47 Conroe, and then everybody in the Houston area in the 50s, anywhere from 51 to 55, except Houston Hooks 48. And all the winds in the Brazos Valley and down through Houston gusting to about 25, 26 miles per hour. As we move through this day, variable cloud cover, generally mostly cloudy, but you might occasionally go partly cloudy. We'll top into 40s, mainly upper 40s. Might see a few that hit 50. Of course, it is warmer further south. And these north winds gust to around 30, die down a little bit this afternoon. Here's your drill. As this colder air pushes down into the Gulf regions, we're going to see a little bit of a wave develop because when you get down there, the push from the north is weaker, and then you do have a clockwise circulation coming up out of the Gulf of America, and so you get that warm air coming in, and what you do is you form a little wave with the cool on one side and warm on the other, and you can develop a low. If we can get that low developed in there, by this evening, we should be able to see a pretty good ripple and develop a little trough of low pressure. This would be a trough that moves from the east back to the west. Now, where we get that, we're going to start wrapping some moisture around that low coming up through Louisiana and then backing into East Texas, and that should give us some overrun, more moist air going up over the top of the cold air. So we should get into some intermittent light rain, drizzle as we get into Monday. It should be a little heavier east, southeast, and south Texas, closer to that little developing wave. And then we'll kind of taper off on precipitation Monday evening, Monday night, and by Tuesday morning, that high pressure ridge should be the dominant feature, and our flow pattern will still be from the north to northeast, so we're going to run some cooler air. So we've got a little precipitation possible in the forecast. And with the winds up and the temperatures down, a layer on the clothing, keep it warm, move around when you're out of doors. From the Weather Center, I'm meteorologist Bill Hecke.